What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be answering some questions from my subscribers and from you, the viewers. Now, a lot of you dropped a comment on my latest LG Stylo 5 unboxing video, and a lot of people are confused about a lot of different things, so in this video I'm going to be clearing all of that up. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so first and foremost, I think the biggest question was, what processor does this phone have? Now, a lot of people are saying Helio P70, which is incorrect information because the US actually doesn't allow MediaTek processors in their phones anymore. So just giving a heads up, it is not the Helio P70, it is the Snapdragon 450. So I was right, it was the Snapdragon 450. And it's gonna actually be 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor. Now, this is really disappointing. The reason being is because the LG Stylo 4 had the Snapdragon 450. However, a lot of people were asking how many gigabytes of RAM it had, and it actually has one more than last year. It has 3 gigabytes of RAM. I was hoping for 4, but 3 is definitely better than the 2 gigabytes of RAM that we got last year from the LG Stylo 4. Now, the next question was, which one is heavier, the LG Stylo 4 or LG Stylo 5? They're actually pretty much the same size, pretty much the same weight, and pretty much the same height as well. So if you guys did not know that already, pretty much the same phone. It's kind of scary actually how similar they are. You guys can see the bands are the same on the sides. You know, they got the same power button, the same top. The only thing that has really changed where the stylus location is at. So most people are right-handed, but for some reason they did it this way on the Stylo 4. Pretty dumb, but on the Stylo 5 they actually have it right here that you can just pop it out like that. And also this one has better security for it because you actually have to force this pen in, so it kind of has a clicking sound. Next question was, hey TechRight, does this phone have NFC? I have not seen anything on this phone have NFC yet. It does have some wireless transfer to computers, laptops, and MacBooks and stuff like that. But so far I have not seen NFC at all on this phone, which is weird because this does have a plastic back. And yeah, super weird that we saw that. Now, another really big question is, was this phone $300? So no, it is actually $229. Plus tax and activation fees, as well as first month's payment. But if you buy from the website, you can actually get the activation fee waived, I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure that's how it works. But definitely go ahead and try that if you guys do not want to pay the activation fee. I know I'm cheap as well, so I would definitely go ahead and do that if you guys do not like those fees. Another really big question was, is this phone going to be cheaper anytime soon? The easy cop-out would be yes, but only because Metro usually has way better promos than Cricket Wireless. Now, for example, last year when I got the LG Stylo 4, it was $179, so it was close to that $229 price tag. But the thing is, I got $100 off for a port-in. So I got this phone for $79 last year, and that was actually in the beginning of when the phone released. So you guys should be seeing these same promos on this device or similar promos from Metro by T-Mobile. But Cricket Wireless, they're trash as far as promos go. You guys might see a little discount, but I don't think it's going to be super huge. Next question was, what is this phone made out of? So if you guys see on the side of this device, this is actually aluminum, but the back of the device is actually plastic. And the big thing for LG Stylo 4 of last year was this got scratches like crazy, but it looks like this has a more premium plastic on the back, or matte plastic or something like that. Because I have not received any scratches on this device yet, and it's been good. So I would definitely get a case if you guys are clumsy. You guys can go on Amazon and find a few cases on there. Definitely don't buy them from the store, they are overpriced. But yeah, plastic back, hasn't scratched yet, so that's definitely an up. The second to last question is, does this have a removable back? The answer is no, this does not have a removable back. I wish it did. This is an all unibody design, but we do not have a removable back on this device, sadly. Now, the last question, and I think a lot of people always ask this when LG Stylo comes out, because stock this does not have an app drawer. A lot of people are asking, how do you get the app drawer on this device? So this is fairly easy. All you do is go to settings, right there, you go to display, then you go right here all the way to the top and click on a home screen. So click on that home screen, and then select right here in general, select home. And you guys are going to click on this right here. Home and app drawer shows apps on separate screens from the home screen. Click OK. And voila, we have an app drawer right there. But yeah, if I didn't answer all of your questions, definitely leave your questions in the comment section down below. I'll definitely try to answer all of them. So go ahead and leave your comments down below. I really appreciate everyone for watching this video. Again, I'm sorry if you're disappointed with the LG Stylo 5. I'm super disappointed with the Cricket wireless version. So if you guys are disappointed, put that in the comments down below as well. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech King already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.